taken Adobe, machining, construction core, animal science, technology, engineering, design, culinary. And that's pretty much all I've had time for because I've taken my main classes seriously, and then 1 year I was focused a lot on RCC classes, so that was my elective, so I didn't really take any. I'm in machining right now, and I'm having it set up to where once I finish out this semester, I'll be able to get a job for the summer and continuing through college.
Reading modeling animation, I really liked how much stuff you can make in that class. You know, you can make food, superheroes. One time we made a pumpkin for Halloween. Like, he does different types of holidays, themes for it too and stuff.
I have taken Health Science 1 and 2, Animal Science, and Public Safety. I've enjoyed a lot of the real life experiences you pick up and how you can actually help and serve your community with what you learn. I've gained CPR, I think a total of 3 times, stopped the bleed 4 times now. So those are some of my favorite skills and projects I've learned.
Scotland County CTE, hands-on today, career ready tomorrow.